Hey everybody, thanks for watching Clyde's Cache. We're on our way to do a geocache after school. It's a nice sunny but cold fall day, and we're going to Tryon Creek State Park. Hey, it is called Tryon Trailheads Equestrian.
Stick to the main trail. It's funny, it shows the trail, but it shows us halfway off the trail.
I know. I wondered if our GPS would get off. We're out here.
I spent the whole time chewing. I still haven't broken down little enough.
The gummy bears?
Mm-hmm.
Clyde found some cold gummy bears in the back of the truck. He said he's been chewing on them now for how long?
A few minutes.
Whoa, it's cool how it opens up in here. It's an ammo can.
Ammo? What's an ammo?
Ammo can.
Oh!
Yeah, it's a big one. Is it telling you to go that way?
Yeah, we have to go across. I'm almost 100% sure it will be in that tree.
Let's find out.
Are we at it?
Kind of looks like it.
Maybe it's down here.
These roots are deceiving, aren't they?
Yeah. And these branches under the ivy.
Yeah.
Found it! I think I found it! Sure looks like it would be in here. Right?
It does. What about over here?
It's in here. It's in here.
For sure?
Yeah.
Nice.
Remember how I used to have your help to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I found what I'm getting for Betty. There's a dinosaur. Hey, it's a Encanto!
Nice.
I think I want to get that.
It's a doll of some sort?
Wait, I think I know what this is from.
Oh, isn't that from
Sophia.
Yeah.
Alright, I pick this, and what do you think? Should I get the tiny dino or
Yeah,
this
I think you should get the tiny dino. That's just, let me see that thing. Look at how cute that little tiny dino is. He's so tiny. Alright, throw that in there, and put these stickers in there.
Did you bring any Clyde's Cache stickers?
And then I have this seahorse keychain.
What?
Oh, wait. Look.
What?
I found this on the ground.
I think it's supposed to be in here.
Probably.
Somebody probably dropped it when they got it. Almost got it. There we go.
Okay.
There's just a...
Whoa.
What, did you find another thing?
I found 3 things.
What did you...
I found an agate, a gem.
Oh!
I got it in my hand. And a seashell. Bonus finds. That's cool. Bull and the parrot. Looks like we gotta go down to the bottom of this hill.
Like how they're all the way down there?
Yeah.
Is that actually
We actually want to go down there.
Okay, here. Right here.
Okay. Weird.
So?
It shows us way off. Down and over there, I guess.
Could be over there. Oh god.
Oh. You mean in the island of bushes?
I bet it might be in under there.
Do you guys see it at home? Ooh.
I think it was here before all this vegetation was. Wait, because it says to keep walking. Now my toes are getting wet.
Oh, I see a foot trail. What?
Wait for me.
Still goes back here. You did? Nice.
Found it in the tree.
Oh, cool. Wow, we walked right by it.
Oh, wow, there's lots of stuff in here.
Nice.
Minecraft!
What is that, like a glider or something?
It's part of a broken airplane. There's
Ooh, duck.
my
Oh, is that a Lego guy?
dude.
And a quarter.
Minecraft dude.
Nice.
Snap bracelet. Magnet.
What do these guys sound like?
Broken jet. So sideways with a bunch of leaves over it.